colleagues, I want to show you a quick demo, and I want to illustrate to you what SwiftPlus School Management System, what it does for a school, and you're going to have a series of videos about SwiftPlus. So when you go to either any preferred search bar, the search engine, you can use Google, you can use Bing, you can use any other browser you wish. So I'm using Google Chrome, and I'm searching SwiftPlus, which is a school management system. So we shall have it here, and you see it comes the rankings comes as number 1 because of the keyword SwiftPlus. So we shall go to it, and this is the platform. You can look through different features, the guides and so on, the terms and conditions, the resources available, and so many other things. So if you want to register your school, you'll come to get started and register your school. So this time we want to go straight to logging in. So I'll come to the login here, and that will bring us to the login page. And the login page will have some guide, and then you'll have to enter your password and your email, and then you log in. If you forgot your password, it will be very hard for you to log in. So you'll have to request your administrator at the school to send you a login, or a reset token or PIN that you can use to reset your password. You can also use Google to log in. So for now, I'll use the form. So okay, let me use the form here. So you can see continue as Robert. So I'll say let's use this. So I've logged in a demo account, and here I just want to demonstrate to you what our school management system is actually offering. So I'm logged in a demo high school, and we have some basic statistics. We don't display all the statistics because we have some access restrictions, so we don't display all the statistics. So I'm logged in as the admin, and you can see some basic statistics here. So we have our sidebar here, which collapses when you're out to give you a wider view. Then we can maximize the screen from here. So I'll maximize it from there, so that covers a full screen, and then I'll minimize it. So I want to keep at this size of the screen. So we have here the student details. We have the O-level academics. We have the A-level, the file manager, the academic resources, the academic setup, the fees and payments, that is when you're dealing with students. We have managing ledgers. We have the accountant section. We also have the finance section. So today I just want to demonstrate to you how to add a student. So I'll come to student details, and then I'll come to student list and profile, and that will load our page here. So from this page we can add a student, or we can add a student from here. And then after we've added that student, we can check if the student details have actually been added by getting the details. So there the details are. So I have about 177 students, and from these students we can have some basic statistics: those who are male and female, those who are in day and those who are in boarding, and those who are on private sponsorship or on bursary. You can have those basic statistics. So I'll add a student for demonstration. So I'll click here and I'll add myself. So I'll come here. I'll say nice J Robert. So for the last name, I'll leave it empty. So Robert. Date of birth is 09/01 2000. Then gender, I'll select male. Then status active, guardian, I'll say self. Number is 0782531521. I have 782531521. Address, I'll say Kampala. Funding, I'll say private. Group, I'll say day. I may say boarding. Then class, I'll say senior 3. I'll select senior 3 here. So I have different classes. I'll select senior 3, and the current term is term 3. So once I have a student number, I'll be able to add it here. That is learner's ID, identification number, which is the LIN, and then we have the school pay number. You can also add it there, and then we'll be able to add the student. So it's telling us having student details, and there is student added successfully. And then we want to check if the student actually exists. So I'll do a simple fetch, and then we search, and there I am. So we now have 178 students, and here I am with the number. So if I want to update these details, I'll come here and then click on edit profile, and you see all the details I've actually loaded. So you see the student number there and other details there are. So you can this is now a student profile. You can adjust this. Those that are very importantly needed, they have those red stars to tell you that they're very important and they're much needed. So I can save this. For example, I can change this maybe to, I can add extra numbers here, and then save this, and then the details will be saved. So for today, that was trying to learn how to add a student and how to update the student. And also the other thing is on top of the students, we can print a student list. So I can print so the student list there is you see the list is long. You can change to save it as a PDF, and there it is. So you see the student list, a full list. You can print it